Okay, what I have to show you here today is the cam arrangement for this V12 engine that I'm building. This is the cams. There's intake and exhaust are milled together. And they are placed on this cam shaft in 60-degree increments. So what I'm going to show you today is how you place them on the shaft. So what we're going to do is mill flats in 60-degree increments down the shaft. It's set up right now. This is a little clamp that holds the shafts from moving. This is my little rotary table set on 0 degrees for cylinder number 1. So we'll go ahead and mill that flat. I'm milling a flat about 30/1000ths of an inch deep. This shaft is drill rod, so it's pretty tough. You have to kind of take it easy. There we have number 1 mill. So we'll shut that off. Okay, we have to move this up so I can get at and loosen up the little clamp here. There, we have that loosened. Now we'll put that mill right down in the slot we just cut, and we need to move that down 1.625 inches. So you'll notice the rotary table is not mounted, it just sets flat on the table, so it can slide right along with the shaft. There, we're at 1.625 inches. So we'll lock it. Well, we don't need to lock that in place. Raise that up. Now, number 2 cylinder is the fifth in the firing order, so it will be 240 degrees away from the one we just milled. 240 degrees from cylinder number 1. So I'll hold my little rotary table so it doesn't move back and forth, and we will move that to 240 degrees here on the, get that set, 240 degrees. Now we will tighten up the clamp. Now we will move back down to where we milled cylinder number 1. It'll be 0 on the DRO here. There's 0. Put this down to mill 30/1000ths of an inch deep. And we'll mill that slot. Okay, there's number 2. Now we'll loosen the clamp. Put our mill down where we just milled. Now we'll move 1.75 inches down to the next cylinder. So, oops, this way. 1.750. Okay, 750. Lock that. Now, we're on cylinder number 3, and is the third place in the firing order, so it needs to be 120 degrees from cylinder 1. So we'll hold the little table so it can't slide, and we'll turn that to 120 degrees. 120. And we will lock that in position. Run back to 0. Go down to 30 thousandths of an inch deep. And mill the slot for the flat for cam number 3. Okay, you can see what we're doing here. Next we'll go to number 4. We will slide down. Number 4 is the last in the firing order. Position number 6 for the bank that I'm on. And so that will be set at 300 degrees. And then number 5 is number 2 in the firing order, so it'll be set at 60 degrees. And then number 6 will be 180 degrees because it's the 4th one in the firing order. So you can see how we're doing that. I learned this method from when I built Randall Cox's inline 6 or open 6. I don't know if Randall came up with this idea or whether he just used it, but this is the way he explained it to do it. He didn't use a rotary table. He had a degree wheel fastened to the shaft, and with a little pointer mounted on the table so he could see where it's at. But the same thing. I think this makes it a little bit easier and a little more accurate. But anyhow, that's the way I'm doing it, and we'll show you how we build the shaft in the cams in a video a little later. So there you go. Thanks for watching.